What's up, guys? Fortnite.
DJ Doors.
19,000 Vbux. What's a little bit?
Ooh, don't try flex, boy.
I'm not.
Hit me up.
Handy.
Single and ready to mingle.
Yeah, don't. He's a handy.
I'll run and tell him to support you.
Oh, you want to hide him? You want to die?
Support us.
Check out
Something.
Oh fuck, I had to go.
Boy, shut up, Timothy.
Yeah, fucking don't bully my brother.
Oh, look at this, a nigga running across the road.
Oh look, Damon's running across the road.
In his teammate's house.
Oh no, kick me out of his house. Didn't say get out of your house.
They trash.
Dead.
Should I tell him to add us running? Add us. AR to call 75. And friend is weirdo online trade.
Bro, you're fucking job here.
That's his name right there. It's a shit name. A really shit name. Oh, dead. Oh, dead. Dead. Ooh. Yo.
Say I had no gun.
Gee, I had no gun. Bro, who cares about the guns? It's all about the lives. Yeah.
Yeah, to you. Why not good?
Bro, I would have killed him anyway.
That's how good I am.
Don't mingle with
Got a
him.
dub.
Because he's not single.
See, look.
Vbux. 91,600. Wow.
Bit portal.
Shut up. We're poor. We're not poor.
Make me
Got the new XP. Got new emotes, which is dumb. Really? Dun, dun.
Can't show you my coolest locker.
He's got trash skin.
20 million
He's got,
skins.
that's his only skin. It's no point. I can't hear you.
Oh, yo.
Blah. You know. Shame he left.
Yeah, because I don't know my fucking dumbass, because you broke it, you dumb bitch.
I didn't break it.
You fucking did.
I'm gonna have to cover it.
Cover my swing. Oh, you're not that smart.
I'm in the video right now, guys. Later.